we're gonna start off with our M8 by 1.25 by 75 millimeter hex bolt. Place a flat wash on there. I'm gonna put some Loctite on the threads here. It's gonna go through our pass-through SumoSpring. This is a steel backing plate. It's a 4-inch diameter washer to support the whole SumoSpring. Then we're gonna add 2 of our 1/2-inch thick spacers to that. Then we'll put our extension and socket up through here. And we're gonna bolt this right in to the same spot that the factory bump stop was threaded into. The reason that we add these spacers in here is so that we get the proper spacing between the SumoSpring and the axle. This would be set up for factory height vehicle. If we didn't use the spacers, it'd be too much gap and it would not engage soon enough. It'd still allow the vehicle to sag a lot. So by adding these spacers, we get about a 1/2-inch, 3/4-inch gap between the SumoSpring and the axle when it's at normal ride height. And that gives the suspension room to work when you're unloaded, work just like normal with your factory ride. And then when you start to load up the vehicle, or if you're towing something, as the suspension compresses, then the SumoSpring will engage the axle and add that extra load capacity and stability.